The reason I called this meeting is we've had separate meetings with everyone that's here to say tani hi munghana lonene FM hi vone ku ri na vangwa kumbe gap ka minongoloko ya hina ku hela ka vhiki mi ta tsundzuka ku hi ve na xi-workshop lexi nga va na xona last year ivi hi vona ku weekend ya hina a hi tshamisekangi in terms ya ti-show ta ku share tiawara na ti-block. So to try and fix that hi ringete ku hlanganisa tinhloko ivi hi ta na nongonoko lowu hi nga le ku tirheni na wona, which the working title, which I hope by today will change, it's called the Weekend Hangout. So tani hi xiphemu xa ku ringeta ku hi launcha this show because it's a fresh idea and it's something that doesn't exist. It need to exist from lava nga tshama la namuntlha. I've jotted down my ideas which I will email to all of you now. I'm looking at them now. But the main aim is to firstly create a profile for Roiki. Who's this Roiki? It's not a child presenter anymore. We want to create her as a fully fledged competitive presenter with other people in the market, number one. And then also show there's actually work that goes behind Kwendla Minongonoko. I think if they need to know the topics are well thought, the ideas are set in a round table like this, and people throw in whatever they have. And we also need to transcend, kalimela linyatso, to say it's us, we are here, you are there, you can't meet that. And that's why I called Hugo. What do you think of the idea? Do you like it? Can we start? What can we throw into it?
Direction showing that is more lively and competitive considering the time slot in Karulwa on a Saturday. So state your mind, Linga mandate SABC education will remain in the first hour. Mara delivery from how it's currently done. However, not talk format it will include a lot of music in there.
Teen Zone is for 13 to 18, right?
Yes.
So it's a twins. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, okay, carry on.
And then the rest of the hour, your first hour, it'll music, light content laying relevant to the time of the day. And then second hour is Teen Zone.
But the last 30 minutes.
And
last
so
30
you
minutes,
feel like Teen Zone.
yeah.
But I fully state your mind. It's the second 30 minutes.
The second 30
So
minutes.
it's incorporated within
After
the
the
show.
10.
So you would have like a normal radio show, like all radio shows sound.
Yeah.
So-
The sound breaks. You want something to say.
We said there's no need for us. If we want to make it
especially
deliver
because it's
one
not paid
show,
for.
it's
Yeah,
only when it's
yeah.
paid for when
You
we'll
need-
have the liners
yeah,
it's brought to you by you. Like it's
SABC
not paid for.
education.
Seeing
Okay.
that we want it to be one show. Now it's Teen Zone time. Now it's State Your Mind time. It's one show. It's only it would come in as more like a feature or something.
Like a feature or like any other topic discussion that we have in the station.
Okay. All right.
We went back and forth with the execution here because the current format duplication state your mind.
A hi la ku mi teka ximandani mi hundzisela ka Roiki ka nkarhi lowu hi nghenisa vantshwa ivi n'wina mi tibulela na Afrika-Dzonga hinkwayo ku nga ri vantshwa ntsena ku nga ri vatswatsi ntsena hi 12 to 3 swi mi khoma njhani swi nga lunghi.
Well, the move is not bad, considering the fact that munhu sungula kwale ndzhaku kwale ka va 7 of actually 6 o'clock back then.
Also wa gonya
Yeah, no going.
Afrika graveyard.
So back in the days, it was from 6 to 12. By the way, one was doing 6 hours. Got out like peanuts. From there, Mzumba was actually once between 7 and 10, and yeah,
I had 3 hours.
3 hours. Between 7 and 10, and it was very early in the morning. People complained. Actually, the management complained because it was too
Too loud.
too loud in the morning and everything like that. And then Kubana that ntolovelo kuba so traditionally tingena between 10 and 12. So from 12 to 2, I'm just looking at the issue ya Makaya challenge at the competition as well, which I think is good for personally mina. Kuba komba matimba ngwenya kona horna. Because this quarter na mzomba stickers ngonyani. It's not going to be easy though. Swasel kashikarakasiku. No cancer makaswa kutawanga na singani la ngofu kata mitlangu na sunguna sunganyani. Alochwa kumsema mtaiza kwa la ngana mitlangu lero. Witinga zoela gatera zakufana so kama ke loko sondo arko na ngonyani mwe nika sondo astampa kuna problem.